How to send a link on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Safari application on your phone. Safari is the default web browser on iPhones, developed by Apple. It allows users to browse the internet, view websites, and manage browsing data. Once you're here, go to the search bar bottom. Then, go to apple.com. Over here, copy the URL of this page as shown. Go back and open up the Messages application. You are now in the Messages page where you can view all your messages. Open any chat from here. And then, go to the text bar and paste the link you just copied. After that, tap on the arrow icon to send it. Following these steps, you can easily send a link on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.